Are you craving chicken tacos? Well, I have an easy recipe for you, so keep watching. These are all the ingredients you're gonna need: some chicken, some crushed tomatoes, some mozzarella, some purple onion, some bell peppers, some seasonings, and some tortillas. Then black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, chicken bouillon, paprika, Cajun seasoning, and some adobo, garlic and herb seasoning, and some bay leaves. And then this is how you're gonna make it. So you're gonna add all the seasoning to a boiling pot of water. And after it's boiling and you add all the seasonings, then you can add the raw chicken to the water and just boil it until it's cooked through, obviously. Then we're gonna cut the vegetables while everything is cooking. And now the chicken is done. We're gonna shred it. If you cooked your chicken right, it should be easy to shred with a fork. So that's a good way to know that it's done. And then we're gonna saute the vegetables. So just heat up a pan and put some olive oil or whatever oil you choose. I prefer olive oil, and saute all your vegetables for like a good 8 to 10 minutes, I would say. Make sure everything is golden brown. And I sauteed the vegetables on high heat, in case you're wondering. Um, you could do that for a little bit and turn the temperature down halfway through if you'd like, because you don't want to burn the vegetables. Um, so after they're pretty much sauteed all the way, you're gonna add some crushed tomatoes, because we're gonna build like a little sauce for our filling in the tacos. And then you're gonna add the shredded chicken. Look at that, that looks so yummy already. Can't wait to try it. Then you're gonna add a cup of water and stir it in and let it cook down for a little bit. And I know we added seasonings in the beginning when we boiled the chicken, but when you add seasonings to the chicken, when you boil it that way, it kind of doesn't give it too much flavor. So we're gonna add all those seasonings we used at the beginning uh, in the sauce now, just to give it a little more flavor, make it more yummy. After that, you're pretty much done. So you're just gonna get the tortillas. You're gonna put them in the chicken filling, in the sauce, whatever you want to call it. And you're gonna put it in the pan with some olive oil, cook it up, let it get a little crispy, put some mozzarella cheese, let it get it nice and melty, put the chicken filling inside, and put some purple onion and cook it up. And there you go. Please like this video, please comment, please share, help get me in the algorithm. I appreciate